Dear friends, I welcome you all to this episode on the requirements of a cover story in a magazine. And I am going to give you several examples connected with the survival of a magazine linked with cover story. I will have two major examples. One connected with Outlook magazine, and later about a new magazine relaunched in 2010, The Caravan. Let me contextualize the problem faced in magazine journalism. We are all aware of the natural death of a number of magazines across the world, in India, in vernacular languages. In spite of the natural death of magazines, there are magazines that survived in spite of the competition from the rival magazines, in spite of the death of mainstream magazines. Let me give you the example of Outlook magazine. Outlook magazine is one of the most circulated magazine, general interest magazines in India. In 1995, this magazine was launched when everybody was apprehensive about the survival of even the existing magazines because of the onslaught of 24-hour news channels. So what was the secret of Outlook's success with the first issue? It was the cover. It was the cover line. The first ever opinion poll in Kashmir. 77% say no solution within Indian constitution. So it attracts the attention of every person. For the first time, an opinion poll, a referendum was conducted by journalists belonging to Outlook magazine to understand and to mobilize the mindset of the people in Kashmir. It was of interest to everybody, irrespective of the geographical location. This was not a topic that was of interest only to those people in Kashmir, but people all over India, even outside India. And that was the reason why Shiva Sena across the country organized wide protests against Outlook magazine. It burned copies of Outlook magazine in different parts of the country. With this sensational protest and with the coverage of a virginal topic, Outlook magazine succeeded in establishing itself as a general interest magazine in spite of the several other established magazines in English. What was the second issue of the Outlook magazine? The cover story. It was on then Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. As you are all aware, P.V. Narasimha Rao was a great intellectual. He was also a writer. Outlook magazine, under the able leadership of Vinod Mehta, knew that the only way for the magazine to establish itself was to feed the readers with what no other rival publications have fed. It was Outlook magazine that told people in India that P.V. Narasimha Rao was also a novelist. It was not reported by 24-hour news channels. It was not covered by any of the newspapers and magazines. And the key chapters of this novel, The Insider, were integrated into the magazine. And therefore, the magazine was sold like hotcake in India. And the next issue was of interest to people everywhere, because there was a problem in the Congress party. The problem was whether Narasimha Rao would be able to continue as the Prime Minister, whether he would be replaced by Sonia Gandhi. And the cover story was on Narasimha Rao being presented as a person firmly rooted, established with the support of the Congress MPs far ahead of Sonia Gandhi. So I quoted the example of the Outlook, how the magazine was able to survive through the cover stories. And therefore, cover story is the prime yardstick for a reader, for a customer, to decide whether this magazine should be bought, whether this magazine should be read. Because the cover story entices the readers. Cover story hooks the readers. The cover story will lure the readers. That's the reason why all the editors will think about the cover story from several dimensions. There are normally 6 criteria followed by editors in the selection of a magazine cover story. The first consideration, naturally, will be marketability. Marketability would mean sellability. Can this cover story bring more subscribers? Can this cover story add more readers to this magazine? Can the circulation of the magazine can be boosted up with the cover story? I will go in depth with examples later on. Another consideration is impact. How many people will be interested in reading this cover story? Is this topic of interest only to a small specialized group of people? Will people, irrespective of their political ideology, irrespective of their educational background, irrespective of their profession, irrespective of their geographical location, will people from all realms and spheres of life will be interested in reading, in picking up this magazine? That is a second question a magazine editor needs to answer. And the third consideration in the selection of a cover story is the information array. Information array would mean the magazine should present the ideas, present the stuff in a very appealing, visually appealing style. Connected with information array is solidity. Normally, the magazine cover story is the lengthiest item in an issue. It may come to 12 pages. The example that I'm going to give you is taken from the Week magazine. The Week magazine, December 15, 2019 issue, as a model for me to substantiate the points that I am driving home. The cover story of the Week magazine was on the most known, the most respected, esteemed environmentalist in India, Dr. Madhav Gadgil. And the topic is on ecology, on environment. For a normal person, people in general, this is a very dry subject. We have a prejudice, or we always have a preconceived notion that, oh, this is going to be an intellectual, a brainy piece, will not be readable. But the Week magazine made this cover story an infotainment. It was informative and at the same time entertaining. The magazine had the image, the cover had the image of Dr. Madhav Gadgil. And the cover line was Man of the Year. The Week magazine declared Dr. Madhav Gadgil the Man of the Year. Why did the magazine did so? Because Madhav Gadgil had already predicted, after having done a scientific study on Western Ghats, a warning was given about the need to take the required measures for environmental protection. But though the warning was given in 2011, there was wide protest in 6 states of India against the recommendations of Gadgil Committee report. Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala. And what is the natural consequence of ignoring a scientific recommendation? The first victims were the people in Kerala. There was a devastating flood in 2018 and 2019. If those in authorities, if the governments, if people in general had taken seriously the recommendations of this commission, flood would have been prevented. So this cover story, as an example for solidity, as an example for information array, is carried in the magazine extended to 20 pages. 20 pages. Reading is naturally should become a monotonous experience. But anyone who starts reading this cover story will continue till the end. It had solidity. It had stuff. It was very comprehensive. The issue, the environmental issue, was covered from all perspectives. And all these 20 pages were a visual treat. It was a spectacle. Another quality that is required for a cover story. Spectacle. It becomes a pleasurable experience. It becomes a pleasurable experience for the readers. It was an infotainment for them. How was it made entertaining for the readers? Let's go into the content of this cover story. The opening article carries the headline, "A Man in Love with the Mountains." A man in love with the mountains is the main item of the meal. It can be compared to a full-fledged dinner. It is the rice. Then you have few more items along with the lead feature. The second item is with the headline, "The Scientific Seer." It can be compared with the sambar. Then there are two other side dishes. One side dish is an exclusive interview, an in-depth conversation with Dr. Madhav Gadgil, with the title, "The World is Getting Warmer." And another side dish, a trek and a rock, is a sharing of experience of the photojournalist accompanying Dr. Madhav Gadgil outside his house. And you have also a short filler which could be compared with the pickle. That is about Gadgil report. The main content, the main recommendation of the Gadgil report was presented as a filler. So these four items were presented like a meal, like a banquet, as a visual treat to the readers, arresting attention and getting the readers glued to the magazine. And people who will look at this cover, look at the description given on the cover, will naturally will be lured to subscribe or to buy or to read this issue of the magazine.